new operation right there in the Gulf of Mexico. Some little random spraying operation here off the coast of Jacksonville. We know the target for the next 2 weeks is down here in Florida and Alabama and Georgia and South Carolina, North Carolina. They're already starting these spraying operations. The weather's going to change. They're going to start flooding out the southeast. Big old nasty spraying operation over Pennsylvania, New York, all the way up into Kitchener, Toronto, St. Thomas. Michigan's getting waxed up in the north. They were just getting ready to do an X, but they made like an L. Spraying over the lake. Spraying over Chicago. Spraying here in Missouri like today. I don't know if it's going to show up on here, but whatever they were releasing today, man, gave me the biggest migraine. I was dizzy all day long. And I don't think we had any kind of solar stuff going on today. I mean, I could be wrong. But man, I think it was all from the toxic aerosols they were deploying.
To be trapped in your full stop.